Dr. Jaffe, please explain what it means when you mention inflammation as repair deficit.
Well, I'm a pathologist, and I was taught that inflammation was, in essence, a smoldering fire to be fought. It caused disability and pain and suffering, and that's all true. But now that I'm a physiology before pharmacology scientist and physician, I want to understand what it really means in biology, in physiology, in life. And it is repair deficit. What does that mean? Repair deficit means that your collagen, elastin, infrastructure, connective tissue is not being renewed by your cells. And as a result, not only are you wearing down, you're wearing out, because that infrastructure, that connective tissue, which used to be thought of as vestigial. We didn't know what collagen and elastin did in the 50s, and we started to learn in the 60s. And I have been involved with collagen and elastin connective tissue cross-links and their relationship to blood clotting, their relationship to the immune repair system, their relationship to balanced hormones and balanced neurochemicals for half 100 years, 50 years. So I'm quite confident that if we understand inflammation as repair deficit, we see now hope and opportunity to repair, to get to the cells that do that infrastructure rebuilding. The connective tissue building cells are white, mostly white blood cells in the body. We need to get them more antioxidants and buffering minerals and cofactors and essential fats like omega-3, EPA, DHA. And then they can not only repair us, they can be so effective at that repair that the swelling goes away, the pain goes away, the inflammation resolves and goes away. If you fight the inflammation with anti-inflammatories, you can reduce the harm, but it will continue. If you see the opportunity to see inflammation is really repair deficit, now you have opportunity to look at arthritis and diabetes and MS, multiple sclerosis, and eczema and psoriasis, and inflammatory bowel diseases, and many, many, many chronic ills that cause people to suffer and impair the quality of their life because they don't understand that inflammation is really repair deficit. So I want to urge you to take a look at our book, How to Thrive in the 21st Century. I would urge you, if you want, to take a look at our YouTube channel, Dr. Russell Jaffe, because we have discussed this in various different ways, because this is a very important concept that's relatively new. It's a paradigm shift. I want you to be up to the minute in the 21st century with what we have discovered about physiology and biology, more than even pathology. So thanks for asking. And I want you to know that inflammation is really repair deficit and opportunity to repair.